So dear children, in the previous video I have told you all about the poem The Quarrel written by Eleanor Ferguson. So in this poem, the poetess said that it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say what and why they are quarreling. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? We will read in this poem. So I am reading the first paragraph of the poem. All of you please open your book and you also read with me. I quarrelled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So see in this paragraph, the poetess said that I quarrelled with my brother but I don't know what about. I don't know the reason, but we quarrelled. And one thing led to another. One thing led to another means one after the other the things came out and we quarrelled and somehow we fell out. And then we don't want to talk to each other. The start of it was slight. It means that when we started quarreling, it was a slight and it was not having any much reason, but the end of it was very strong and violent. The fight began to be very violent after some time. They shouted on each other and said that they both are right. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So the poetess said that he said he was right, but I knew he was wrong. लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि उसने कुछ गलती की है, इसलिए वो wrong है और मैं right हूँ. But both of them are saying that they are right and they are not admitting the mistake. So after some time what happened? See the next paragraph. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Afternoon means sham. It was black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So in the evening, what happened in the evening? They hated one another for some time, but in the evening it was very bad evening because they were fighting and they were not talking to each other. They were hating each other. But suddenly what happened? The brother thought that okay, I was wrong and we cannot be like this for so long, so I am going to admit my mistake. And what he did, he thumped on the back. Thumped means patted on the back. उसकी सिस्टर की पीठ पर आकर हाथ लगाता है और कहता है, "Oh, come along, let's play again. We can't go all night." Means we cannot fight for full night. We should again patch up and start playing. So he said, "Okay, I admit my mistake and I am wrong. You are right." So after that, again they started playing with each other, and always the brother and sisters are quarreling like this, and again they are friends again. So this is all about the poem. You can read it again and find out whatever you are having any query. You can ask me after watching this video. And you have to write this poem in your fair notebook neatly and without any mistake. You have to write very neatly with the poetess name also and the heading properly and the date also.